Indoor plants. When I talk about indoor plants, here I have all propagated in water like mogra, this is rosemary, snake plant, lucky bamboo. So they are very easy to take care of and maintain. But there are few things that you will have to keep in your mind when you propagate plants in water. A clean bowl like this and remove all the plants from the old water bottles and empty the bottles. Cleaning the bottles and the jars is a must in order to give fresh water to the plants. So here I am refilling them. So the plants are in fresh water and also you can keep all the insects away with that. Here I have refilled all the bottles and the vessels. Now I'm going to put my plants, and the plants also need to be cleaned thoroughly before you put them inside water. The leaves have to be cleaned so they are fresh. Clean all the plants. This is lucky bamboo. That is one of the best plants that grow very well in the water. And here I have the snake plant, mogra plant. I have a herbal plant, rosemary, growing in water, and ZZ plant. So they are well cleaned in fresh water now. This is the place where I keep my indoor plants most of the time, because here we get indirect sunlight through this window. When we talk about plants, we can't forget the sunlight. It is a necessity because plants need sunlight, water to grow.